अस्सलाम वालेकुम व रहमतुल्लाहि व बरकातुहू। उम्मीद करती हूँ कि आप सब खैरियत से होंगे। तो आज एक सिंपल सा अकम्पनीमेंट बना लेते हैं, ड्रमस्टिक एंड कैरेट का पुरियल। तो फर्स्ट ड्रमस्टिक को बॉईल कर लेते हैं। तो आई हैव टेकन 250 grams of drumsticks. I have peeled and cut it into pieces. Add that to a clay pot. साथ में I have added 1 carrot, peeled and cut into finger size pieces. Add that as well. Along with this, add half a teaspoon of salt and a quarter teaspoon of turmeric powder. Also add around 1 cup of water. Mix. Now cook on high flame till the water starts boiling. Reduce the flame to low and medium and cook till done. Dry up the water. Do not forget to stir in between. Keep it aside. Now we need a little masala for grinding. To a mixie jar, add half cup of grated coconut, half teaspoon jeera, 3 to 4 shallots, that is sambar onions, the small onions, 4 to 5 curry leaves, 2 to 3 pods of garlic, cloves of garlic, and 2 to 3 green chilies. Grind coarsely, do not add any water, and keep that aside as well. Now once the drumstick and the carrot is done, remove to another burner and keep another clay pot. To this clay pot, add 2 tablespoons of coconut oil. When the oil becomes hot, add half a teaspoon of mustard seeds and a quarter teaspoon of urad dal. Saute for a few seconds. Now add fresh curry leaves and 2 dry red chilies. You can break them and add, or you can add them whole. Now add 10 to 12 sliced shallots. That is the same small onions or sambar onions as it is called. Saute till light brown. Now add the coarsely ground mix of coconut, jeera, shallots, curry leaves, green chilies and garlic. So add that to the onions. Saute. Add half a teaspoon of salt more, because we have already added half a teaspoon of salt while boiling the drumsticks. So add half a teaspoon here and saute for a minute or so on very low flame. Now add the boiled drumsticks and carrot. Mix well and switch off the flame. Cover and let it rest. Goes very well as an accompaniment, especially with fish curry and boiled rice, or curd curry and boiled rice, or even the regular rice, Sona Masuri boiled rice. So please do try it out. Like, share and subscribe. Ingredients as always mentioned in the description box. I've also put up the links for clay pots. If you would like to purchase, you can click on those links. Ingredients are mentioned in the description box, the method as well. Don't forget to share. Also subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. Thank you for watching.